So you switch to organic food, no chemicals, no junk, clean eating, that's amazing. But here's a question we don't ask enough. What if we eat organic but digest negativity every single day? Think about it. We care so much about what goes into our stomach. But what about what goes into our mind and heart? Let's talk about it. Picture this. You start your day with a smoothie, chia seeds, and avocado toast. Healthy breakfast. But then you scroll social media. You see hate, drama, fake perfection, breaking news, bad vibes. You roll your eyes, feel anxious, doubt yourself. Later, you meet people who only complain, gossip, or spread fear. By the end of the day, your mind feels heavy. But your plate was clean. So we're eating organic food, but feeding on toxic thoughts. Today, everyone talks about clean eating, detox water, no sugar, no gluten, no dairy. But what about negative content, toxic relationships, constant complaining? Here's the truth. Your body needs clean food, but your mind, it needs peace, positivity, and purpose. What we consume emotionally is just as important as what we consume physically. Let's be real. Here's what happens when you eat healthy but think unhealthy. Anxiety rises. Even though your diet is clean, your thoughts are chaotic. Overthinking grows. You're physically light but mentally heavy. Self-worth drops. You compare yourself constantly. Relationships suffer. Negativity leaks into how you talk, react, and live. It's like cleaning your kitchen but dumping garbage in your living room. You're healthy on the outside, but hurting on the inside. Negativity is silent poison. You don't notice it at first, but over time, it changes your mood, energy, focus, confidence, relationships. You start snapping at people. You stop trusting yourself. You feel tired without knowing why. And then you wonder, but I'm eating clean, why don't I feel better? Because food isn't the only fuel. Your thoughts are fuel too. So here's what we do. Let's detox both our plate and our mind. Mindful media, follow pages that inspire, not drain. Positive people, spend time with those who lift, not pull down. Mental breaks, just like a food fast, take a break from toxic content. Self-check, ask daily. What did I feed my mind today? And most importantly, gratitude greater than gossip growth, greater than drama peace, greater than popularity. So next time you sip your green juice or eat your salad, also ask yourself, what am I feeding my soul today? Because true health isn't just organic, it's emotional, mental, and spiritual.